Since the very first day, Conceptia Konnect has been with us for the training and have given us thorough training on all the features that exist in the platform, and then they have stayed with us until we mastered the basics of the platform. So SolidWorks has too many features to offer us, but whatever was required for us as per our requirements, they have trained us. Thank you Conceptia Konnect for the support and always been guiding us throughout through our challenges and overcoming.
We are using SolidWorks last 18 years on our organization. Our Conceptia support team is helping in training with expertise and skills. They are supporting in online and offline and visit our organization and solve our queries at OnTech.
Conceptia has been associated with Setback for over 8 years. They ensure smooth transition and proper software support. They supported with productivity training and certification for the end users. Overall, we are very happy with the excellent customer support by the Conceptia team.
We are using SolidWorks standard since long back, and then we have entire lift design also. We are having entire design, but we are consuming more time. Then I asked her to Conceptia Konnect for we have some standard design how to reduce the time. Then with the help of Conceptia Konnect support, we implemented our lift assembly with equation.
Conceptia team is regularly in touch with us, and if we stuck anything on the design perspective or if we need any kind of additional support, they will immediately come and support through online or offline. Thank you Conceptia Konnect for your training and support.